Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're diving deep into a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect of outdoor landscape design, the backyard retaining wall design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. These structures are more than just functional. They can be transformative elements that enhance the beauty, usability, and value of your outdoor space. Let's explore the intricacies of backyard retaining walls and how they can elevate your home's exterior. Let's begin by understanding the core purpose of a backyard retaining wall. Essentially, a retaining wall is a structure designed to hold back soil or earth on a slope or grade change. This prevents erosion, stabilizes the ground, and creates usable flat areas in your backyard. Whether you have a naturally sloping terrain or are looking to define different levels within your landscape, a retaining wall acts as a barrier against the natural downward movement of soil. This controlled containment not only prevents landslides and soil runoff during heavy rain but also allows for the creation of level terraces for planting, patios, walkways, or even outdoor living areas. Think of it as engineering with an aesthetic touch, providing both structural integrity and design potential to your property. How do I decorate my backyard space with a retaining wall? Integrating a retaining wall into your backyard offers exciting opportunities for decoration and landscape design. The wall itself can become a feature, not just a functional element. Consider planting cascading flowers or ground cover along the top or within the crevices of the wall to soften its appearance and add color and texture. You can also incorporate built-in lighting into the wall structure to illuminate pathways or highlight specific plants and features at night, creating a dramatic ambience. Think about adding integrated seating by extending sections of the wall to create benches, perfect for relaxing and enjoying your outdoor space. For a more dramatic effect, consider incorporating a water feature that flows over the wall into a pond or basin below, adding the soothing sound of running water. The flat terraces created by the retaining wall offer ideal spaces for container gardening, allowing you to display a variety of plants and easily change your garden's look seasonally. You can also use the different levels to create themed garden areas, such as a herb garden on one terrace and a flower garden on another. Don't forget about decorative wall finishes. Consider staining, painting, or adding veneers like natural stone to match your home's exterior or your desired aesthetic. Finally, artwork or outdoor sculptures can be strategically placed against or near the retaining wall to add a personal touch and focal points. What are the best materials for a backyard retaining wall? Choosing the right material for your backyard retaining wall is crucial for its longevity, stability, and aesthetic appeal. Several excellent options are available, each with its own set of characteristics and benefits. First, natural stone. Options like limestone, granite, and sandstone offer a timeless and natural look, blending seamlessly with the landscape. They are durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions, but can be more expensive and require skilled installation. Second, concrete blocks. These are a popular and cost-effective choice, offering versatility in design and ease of installation. They come in various shapes, sizes, and textures, allowing for different aesthetic styles. Third, timber. Wood retaining walls, often made from treated lumber, offer a warm and rustic aesthetic. They are relatively easy to install and can be cost-effective, but they have a shorter lifespan compared to stone or concrete and require regular maintenance to prevent rot and insect infestation. Fourth, brick. Brick retaining walls offer a classic and elegant look that complements traditional home styles. They are durable but can be more expensive than concrete blocks and require mortar for installation. Fifth, gabion baskets. These are wire cages filled with rocks or other materials. They are known for their strength, permeability, allowing for good drainage, and unique industrial chic aesthetic. They are also relatively easy to install. 6th, poured concrete. This option offers exceptional strength and can be molded into various shapes and sizes. It is highly durable but requires formwork and can be more labor-intensive to install. 7th, segmental retaining wall units. These are interlocking concrete blocks designed specifically for retaining walls. They are easy to install, offer good stability, and come in a wide range of styles and colors. 8th, cinder blocks or concrete masonry units. While less aesthetically pleasing on their own, cinder blocks are a strong and cost-effective option that can be faced with other materials like stone veneer for a more finished look. 9th, sheet piling. Typically used for larger, more industrial applications or where space is limited, sheet piling involves driving interlocking sheets of steel, vinyl, or fiberglass into the ground. 10th, living walls or green walls. While not strictly a traditional retaining wall material, a well-engineered living wall system can provide some soil retention on gentle slopes while offering significant aesthetic and environmental benefits. They involve planting vegetation directly into or onto a wall structure. The best material for your project will depend on factors such as the height of the wall, soil conditions, budget, desired aesthetic, and your DIY skills or the availability of professional installers. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 inspiring backyard retaining wall design ideas to enhance your landscape. 1. Terraced gardens. Transform a sloping backyard into a series of flat tiers using multiple retaining walls. This maximizes usable space for planting different types of flowers, herbs, or vegetables on each level, creating a visually appealing and functional garden. Incorporate steps made from the same or contrasting material for easy access between levels. 2. Natural stone elegance. Opt for retaining walls constructed from natural stones like limestone, granite, or sandstone. Their irregular shapes and earthy tones blend seamlessly with the outdoor environment, adding a touch of timeless beauty and rustic charm to your landscape. Consider using different sizes and textures of stone for added visual interest. 3. Integrated seating. Design a low retaining wall that doubles as built-in seating. By widening the top layer and using smooth, flat stones or adding a capstone, you create a perfect spot for relaxing and entertaining outdoors. Consider adding cushions for extra comfort and incorporating planters at the ends for a decorative touch. 4. Water feature integration. Combine the structural integrity of a retaining wall with the soothing ambience of a water feature. Design the wall to have water cascading down into a pond or basin below. You can use natural stone for a natural look or sleek concrete for a more contemporary feel. Consider adding aquatic plants and lighting to enhance the feature. 5. Gabion walls with greenery. Create a modern and industrial aesthetic with gabion baskets filled with rocks or gravel. The sturdy wire cages provide excellent support, while the gaps can be used to plant drought-tolerant plants or cascading greenery, softening the hard edges and adding a touch of nature. 6. Curved retaining walls. Instead of traditional straight walls, opt for gentle curves that follow the natural contours of your landscape. This design adds a sense of flow and movement to your backyard, creating a more organic and inviting atmosphere. Curved walls can define different garden areas or pathways in an elegant way. 7. Retaining wall with built-in planters. Incorporate planters directly into the retaining wall structure. These can be individual niches or a continuous trough along the top or face of the wall. Plant colorful flowers, trailing vines, or even a small herb garden to add vibrancy and life to the hardscape. 8. Illuminated retaining walls. Integrate lighting fixtures into your retaining wall design. Inset lights along the face of the wall can illuminate pathways and highlight the wall's texture at night, adding both safety and visual appeal. Consider using warm-toned lights to create a cozy ambience. 9. Mixed materials design. Create a unique and striking look by combining different retaining wall materials. For example, you could pair natural stone with timber accents or sleek concrete with metal elements. This approach adds visual complexity and allows you to tailor the design to your specific style and the surrounding architecture. 10. Living walls on slopes. For a more eco-friendly and visually stunning option on gentle slopes, consider a living wall system integrated into a retaining structure. Plant a variety of greenery directly into the wall, creating a vertical garden that retains soil while providing numerous environmental benefits and a unique aesthetic. These ideas offer a starting point for designing a backyard retaining wall that is both functional and a beautiful addition to your outdoor living space. Remember to consider the specific needs of your landscape, your personal style, and consult with professionals for structural integrity and proper installation. Backyard retaining walls are invaluable assets in landscape design, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetic enhancement. From preventing erosion and creating usable spaces to providing opportunities for creative decoration, they can truly transform your outdoor environment. By carefully considering the benefits, design possibilities, and the best materials for your specific needs, you can create a retaining wall that not only serves its purpose but also elevates the beauty and enjoyment of your backyard. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into the world of backyard retaining walls. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor and design inspiration. Share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.